Alright guys, let my engine sit in the oven for about 10 minutes. I got an oven glove on so I don't burn myself. Nice little trick I like to do for popping out the bearings is to use the cooling head actually. This helps for the front bearing. You can set the motor right on the cooling head. This will allow you to push the bearing out, give you something to rest on. Now I'm just using one of my drivers, sticking it in through the back and just giving it a slight tap. I made a mess of things. You can see the front bearing is out. Pop it off there. Front bearing's out. And you'll do the exact same thing for the rear bearing. In this case, you can just set it flat. Get yourself a flathead or something similar so you can catch the edge of the bearing and just tap it all the way around until it pops out. Now this rear bearing is actually in good shape, so I'm not going to remove that one. I'm going to replace the front one so we get a new seal. You can throw this one away. Careful, it is hot. While you have the front bearing out, it is worthwhile to check one more small passage. I don't know if you can see, but right in the upper corner there's this very small hole there. Now that's an oiling hole for that bearing, so you want to make sure that that's clear. Now's a good time to shoot some cleaner in there. Make sure that that's not obstructed at all. Go, mine is nice and clean. Okay, we got our new front bearing. Put it right on there. And if you put it in the freezer, it may drop right in for you. If not, you may need to give it a slight tap. If you do tap on the new bearing, make sure you're only tapping on the outside race. You don't want to hit the center of it because you could damage it. We only want to pound on the outside. So I'm going to do this real quick on the side. You can see I got her started. You just want to continually tap on the outside of the race until it's all the way flush. Again, same procedure for the rear bearing. Just make sure that it sits in there all the way. That's it for bearing replacement. Again, if you guys have any questions, just post below, or you can post up at RC Nightmare Forums. We'll talk to you soon.